Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a vanity organization video and clean with me. I posted my minimalist makeup collection down below if you want to see like specific items that I have in my collection. But today I just purchased some organization bins from the Dollar Tree, and I want to see kind of what I can do in my vanity. So before I kind of just have everything laid out, I'll share with you guys what it currently looks like, and then we'll get to cleaning and organizing, and hopefully everything will be a lot cleaner, crisper, and better. So let's get into where it currently is. So to start off, the vanity itself needs to be like cleaned up a little bit, picked up, but overall not too bad. This is my face drawer. You can see I kind of tried to like have blushes, powders, blush, like highlights, things like that. But those little containers and stuff will definitely help out. I have my cleaning products right here, all-purpose cleaner and a Windex kind of thing, and paper towels. This is a drawer that I'll probably need it the most with all these like single eyeshadows, eyeshadow palettes, things like that. I'll probably also throw these little hand sanitizers from Bath & Body Works into the linen closet. And then here is like lip products and things like that. So those little organization things will be helpful in there as well. So let's get into the cleaning and organization of my makeup vanity. I'm just going to start off by cleaning off my makeup vanity and taking anything out of the room in the makeup vanity that does not belong. So the hand sanitizers, body spray, the random gift cards I had on there is all going. I'm then going to take everything off the vanity and wipe it down with some window cleaner or mirror cleaner and some all-purpose cleaner.
Now, cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever.
I had some pretty tough stains on my vanity, but I think what it was nail polish remover that sat way too long on my vanity and leaked. So I tried to use a magic eraser to clean it up, but I was able to get other kind of deep makeup stains on my vanity. But that little circle spot that I'm really working on is just going to be there. So I just cover it up with my makeup mirror later. If you have any ideas for how to clean it up, let me know in the comments down below. I'm now starting in my face palette drawer, and this is basically all the products I use for my face: highlight, blush, powders, my face palettes, things like that. So I'm going to take everything out, wipe the drawer down, and then reorganize it with the clear bin. I'm now going to go into my main big drawer, and this is where I keep my eyeshadow palettes, my cream shadows, my eyeliners, mascaras. So I'm going to take some of the bins and reorganize it the same way I did the face palette.
Be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. When I'm with you. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. You got your high heels on, and I'm wearing my worn-out jeans. What could go wrong? Sipping on a beer, sing along to our favorite songs. All I want is you. You make my world spin round and round. Sometimes I don't know what to do, 'cause my heart starts racing when I'm with you. Can't get enough of this.
And then same thing for the right drawer. I'm going to take everything out and get everything reorganized into those bins with concealer, lip products, things like that.
Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. A never-ending sunshine. You know I want you close. Maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine.
So now that I'm finished putting all the organization together, I'll share with you guys kind of my thought process and how everything ended up. If you're wondering what this box is, my son turns 2 in a couple weeks, so that's his birthday gift I need to wrap and build. But let's get in and see what I decided to do. So for the main kind of vanity, I like to keep it clear. This is like one of our first dates, like almost 15 years ago, of me and Isaac. How crazy is that? We were such babies. I had braces, everything. Love my mirror. These are clean makeup brushes, tissues, then my dirty ones. I do need to go ahead and wash them. And then this is my everyday makeup bag, the products that I'm pretty much reaching for on a daily basis. I keep in here on top of my vanity so I know and I can do really quick looks. So in here, oh, and I'm doing Easter egg hunt. That's what all that kind of stuff is. So this kind of worked out pretty perfect, actually. So this is my face product drawer, and you can see I have my like face palettes right here for the like highlight, blush, bronzer, things like that. So I have a Becca, an Hourglass one. This is a little too big for the container that I got from Dollar Tree. So this is a Shimmering Skin Face Primer, I believe. I've been so out of the loop. So I have my highlights here. I don't have too much. I try and keep kind of a minimal collection right now. So I have 2 kind of extra highlights, a stick highlight. These are all of my little blushes going on. I got Becca, Essence, Tarte, and Hourglass. And then these are my powders that I keep on hand. Essence Brighten Up for under eyes, and NYX HD, and then Hourglass Dim Light is my favorite. This one is probably like the best I'm most happy about, because y'all saw in the beginning it was not looking like this, but this looks a whole lot better. So I have my eyeshadow palettes and stuff here just stacked on top of each other. I pull them out occasionally. I am doing a Pan That palette this year, so I'm focusing more on that. In this little container, which you got a set of 3 of these for $1 at the Dollar Tree, I just keep my liners on one side and then extra backup mascaras. Over here in this 3 kind of container, I have my Stila liquid eyeshadows. I love these, so I have 2 mini ones, 2 full size. These are like extra little random things that I keep in my vanity, like things to tighten up the stool, the vanity, things to help with depotting. What is this? Like eyebrow clippers? No. Tweezers, I don't know what I'm saying, but I keep that in there. Then I have like a little single eyeshadows container right now with my pencil sharpeners. I don't typically do like pencil liners anymore, but it is good to have. I do every now and then buy lip pencils that need sharpening. Then over here is my liquid like glitter liners, another shadow stick, which I guess this should go over there. And then a couple other eyeshadow crayons. And then this drawer also has a lot more organization going on. So I have my foundations and backup foundations and stuff here. Concealers. I don't have too many backup concealers. I really just like the Tarte Shape Tape. I got these from an influencer, so I do have them on hand. I may end up passing them along. They're not my favorite. Then primers. Right here I have 2 backups of the Freshly Beauty Coconut Skin Primer, a Wet n Wild one. Here's all my fragrances. I love rollerballs, so you'll see I have quite a few here. I have a Sun lip balm right here, a, what are these called? Finishing spray from Wet n Wild. Then this is my lip products. So I have my like liquid lipsticks up here, and then down here are all of my lip sticks and things like that. So that is everything for this makeup organization video. It actually didn't take as long as I was planning on doing. I plan on doing a bathroom organization video as well, so check that out on my channel really soon. I will link my organization or clean with me videos down below for you guys who want to continue and clean along with me. Happy spring cleaning, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.